Several months ago, we discovered the joy of clean. When we contacted them, they came out, gave us an estimate, learned what we wanted to be done, and we decided to go with them. We have been satisfied with everything they have done for us. We do it each month now, and the communication between us and David and his crew has been excellent. We haven't found a time yet where the conflict came up that we couldn't get it done. If they're going to be late or anything, they always let us know in advance so that we can make any adjustment, but we haven't really had to cancel any of the dates yet. So we're thankful to find the joy of clean and give them a try. I think you'll find they'll do it. We have 1,320 square feet in our apartment. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and then a big open area of a kitchen, dining room, and living room. And we're just very pleased to be living here and to have this service to come and take care of our cleaning needs. Thank you.